Knowledge is money when working in affiliate marketing. One great online business to get into is affiliate marketing. It's not actually hard to do, but it does have a learning curve that needs to be taken on if you want to make good money. Here are some tips for getting you past that learning curve. Maybe you can even break the curve. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. To be treated fairly, you should avoid affiliate marketing companies that do not pay you a lot. You should compare offers and negotiate. You should expect a bonus of at least 20% on each product that you sell to a customer. Any company offering less is not treating you fairly. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. Do not forget that affiliate marketing expands further than the internet. You do not have to convert someone online. You may find a product that allows you to pitch by phone or by snail mail. This is a great way to increase your profits and profile as an affiliate. Just be sure that you're ready to handle the work. These ideas should help you move steadily toward affiliate marketing success. Making money as an affiliate isn't an instant process, but one of constant learning, tweaking and gradual building. Following these tips is an investment in your future though, so with what you've learned, you can go forth and build the financial freedom you desire. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.